Assalamualaikum students, be ready. Para. I happened yesterday to hear on the radio the question colon, if you could be some other person, who would you want to be question mark, and the answer was colon, myself full stop. At this the first man asked again colon, why comma, what is so wonderful about being you question mark, and this time the answer was, there is nothing so wonderful about it, but it is very comfortable full stop. All this was not comma, of course comma, meant to be taken seriously comma, but I could not help thinking that really it is comfortable to be just ourselves, even though it is not particularly wonderful full stop. The question colon inverted comma, who would you like to be question mark, is not a new one comma, and I am sure all of us have played at times with the idea of being some other person full stop. If we are girls or women, we think at first comma, perhaps comma, that it would be lovely to be a very comma, very beautiful person full stop. Then we think that perhaps it would be still better to have masses and masses of money, so that we could buy whatever we desired at the moment we desired it full stop. We might perhaps think that it would be wonderful to be able to marry the most good looking man in the world full stop. If it is a man thinking along these lines, he will probably want to be a person well known in science or in the political field semicolon. He will want to be a person well in the public eye full stop. He comma two comma might find the idea of having masses and masses of money rather pleasing comma, but it is not very likely that he will wish to be outstandingly good looking full stop. There is nothing particularly wrong about playing with the idea of buying very beautiful or very well to do or well known, because we all know at the same time that wishing will not make it so full stop. There are indeed some other words that we still hear from time to time on the radio full stop. They are colon inverted comma, whatever will be full stop. The future is not ours to see full stop. What will be full stop inverted comma.